Hello everybody. Well, tonight I'm going to go camping, wild camping in Gwendolyn, the motorhome. Mandy was going to go wild camping on the lawn with her tent, but she decided against it because it's wet. Well, come in and join me for a rather special meal. It's special to me. It's a Scandinavian meal, more actually Swedish, and if you want to copy it you'll have to go to IKEA. But come in and mind the step. Okay, but here we are. I've got the heater on and it's very comfortable indeed. I call this video wild camping, but it's not really, because I've got electricity plugged into the house and I've got Wi-Fi from the house, so this evening I can sit and watch television or knock about on YouTube or whatever. So but I'm going to do this meal, and it's a meal I don't have very often, in fact not often enough, but I love it. It's so simple, delicious. Well, I'll show you the meal later on, but in the meantime let's have a look at my booze stock. We've got Bombay Sapphire, we've got in the back here, nice bottle of Coben's fine white ruby, fine white port, the bottle of Fallen Over, famous grouse, whiskey, just a little drop left in that. We've got some Bacardi here, and so plenty of Gordon's gin and ginger wine to beat the max. And in the back there we've got some honey bourbon and some almanac, and enough glasses for me to last the night. And in the fridge we've got cooling down, ready for the meal tonight, vodka, because I haven't got any aquavit, and my favourite tipple, milk. And while I'm waiting for dinner time, I've got the computer set up, or the laptop set up, on YouTube, and I had to have it over that end of the table to get a signal from the house. But anyway, I've got a signal. That's good. Well, I put the water on to heat up, ready to do the potatoes. But look at this. Look, we're soon going to know who's married to a hairdresser, because the rest of us will be walking around with a ponytail. I had one a few years ago, but now I satisfy myself with a pre-dinner drink, and it's a whiskey mac. This time a whiskey mac. Oh, cheers everybody. So what's all so special about this meal? Well, I'll tell you. If you want this, you'll either have to go and live in Sweden or have an IKEA close to you. I'm having sill, which is pickled herring. And this is pickled herring marinated, mate filet, and here's one with mustard. And it's beautiful, and you need a little bit of sour cream, and I'm going to have some salad with mine, so I'm having some Heinz salad cream, and then you need chives, and with the chives you need some scissors, and then I've got here a little bit of salt if I need it, but I think I'll be okay with that lot. That looks really good, and I'm looking forward to it. Well, the potatoes are boiling very nicely, and I give those about 20 minutes, and unfortunately I haven't got Lexa here to remind me when the time's up, so I've had to look at my watch, because I forgot that I got a timer on my phone, hadn't I? When I first set it, I set it for 18, thinking that that would be about right for 18 minutes, And when I looked at it, it was 18 hours. I know that was wrong. My two daughters are dual nationality, Swedish and British, and they might know what I'm talking about, because the first time I went to Sweden, 1963, and I was offered this fish, and I said, what's that? They said, it's herring. Oh, raw herring. Ooh. I didn't think I'd like it at all, but I did, and it's lovely. And now I could eat it for breakfast. I could. Beautiful stuff. One of the great shames is that I haven't got any aquavit. If anybody in Sweden would like to send me some aquavit, I would be very grateful, but I'm going to have it with vodka tonight. Terrible shame, but there we are. One must do what one must have with, or something like that, because Sainsbury's don't sell aquavit, would you believe? Tequila, yes, and all the other funny things, but not aquavit. And they do a really, really nice aquavit from Skåne. And I know people who come from Skåne, because I like the people from Skåne. Well, the last addition to the table is the vodka. And because I haven't got any shot glasses, I'm going to have to use my whiskey mac glass. And it's a terrible shame that I haven't got any aquavit, because that would have gone down much better. Well, it looks like the potatoes have got just over 4 minutes to go. So the potatoes are ready, and I've got some greens there, which I shall serve with loads of salad cream to kill the taste of the greens. And then on my potatoes, some sour cream. I couldn't understand why they had to let it go sour before you put it on the potatoes, but it does taste lovely. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. And then on with that, we have to have some chives, and to do that, scissors, cut it up nice. Oh, lovely. That's fantastic. And my daughters should love this, I think. I know one of them would anyway. There we go. And now, the piece de resistance, nate filet, pickled raw herring. Beautiful stuff. And there's one piece, there's another piece. Oh, lovely. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Lovely. And then we'll have a little bit of the other one. This is with the mustard. There we go. Lovely. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to get stuck into this. Beautiful. Now, you can't have this. I forgot to fetch a shot glass down, so it's going to have to be in that. But there's a little drop of whiskey, vodka to go with it. There we go. Now, for heaven. Heaven. Ah, beautiful. Mmm. That is unbelievably beautiful. Oh, lovely. All washed down with a drop of cold vodka. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, folk, that's wild camping Michael Charter style, and I'm going to finish off with my favourite tipple, a glass of milk. Beautiful. Especially when I poured it in the glass that had the vodka in. That was a joke. Cheers. Actually, it wasn't a joke. I'm having almanac in it now. Same glass. Oh, just a top. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, good night all.
Please subscribe, 'cause that makes Luna smile.
And then ring the bell.
And I shall tell you